How can beginners master PLC, structured text programming, faster? Imagine building a control system that runs smoothly without hours of confusion. If you want to get started with programmable logic controller structured text programming quickly, you need a clear plan. Let's look at how beginners can speed up their learning process and become confident in using structured text in industrial automation. First, understanding the basic syntax is key. Structured text looks like traditional programming languages, so knowing how to write simple commands like assigning values to variables or using basic operators is essential. Start with the program declaration, which tells the controller what to run, and end with the end statement. Many software tools handle this automatically, so focus on the core logic. Next, get familiar with the program flow. The program runs in a continuous cycle, checking inputs and updating outputs. Learn how to use variables, which are called tags or symbols in automation. These store data from sensors or control signals. Practice using arithmetic operators like addition or subtraction, and logical operators like and or to make decisions. Control structures are your best friends. Use if-then-else statements to make decisions based on sensor inputs. For example, turn on a motor if a sensor detects a part. Loops like for or while help repeat actions, like counting items or waiting for a condition. Practice writing small programs that use these structures to control simple devices. Using simulation software is a game changer. Tools like Schneider-Ucka Structure Control Expert or Allen Bradley Studio 5000 let you write and test code without needing physical hardware. This saves time and money. Start with simple tasks like controlling a relay or turning on a light. These exercises help you understand how the code interacts with real-world devices. Comment your code clearly. Adding notes makes it easier to understand later and helps in troubleshooting. Use meaningful variable names like motor status or sensor input. This habit makes your programs more organized and easier to modify. Work on real-world examples. For instance, simulate a timer that turns on a conveyor belt after a delay or a counter that tracks how many items pass a sensor. These practical projects make learning relevant and fun. As you grow more comfortable, explore advanced features like string handling or function blocks. These tools help organize complex programs into manageable sections, making your code cleaner and easier to troubleshoot. If you have prior programming experience, structured text will feel familiar. If not, focus on understanding the industrial context. Practice regularly and don't rush. Consistent effort with hands-on exercises will speed up your mastery. In smart factories and Industry 4.0 environments, knowing how to program with structured text allows you to create flexible, scalable automation solutions. It helps you develop systems that can adapt quickly to new production needs and integrate with digital systems. By starting with the basics, practicing with simulation tools, and working on real examples, beginners can quickly improve their skills. Remember, patience and consistent practice are your best tools for mastering structured text programming in industrial automation.